Each of the dinners served at a banquet was either chicken, beef, or fish. The ratio of the number of chicken dinners to the number of beef dinners to the number of fish dinners served at the banquet was 7 to 5 to 2, respectively. If there were more than 5 fish dinners served at the banquet, what was the total number of dinners served at the banquet? So we got chicken to beef to fish in our ratio. And they say that ratio is 7 to 5 to 2, so we can think of that as we have 7x chicken dinners, 5x beef dinners, 2x fish dinners, where x is just our multiplier, which means we have a total of 12x, 14x dinners served. This really just means we can rephrase this as what is x, right? Because if we want to find 14x, we really just need to find x. Now let's not forget about that. If there are more than 5 fish dinners served at the banquet, so what does that mean? Our fish dinners are here, right? So x has to be a greater than 3. I should say, sorry, greater than or equal to 3. So given this, let's look at our statements. The total number of beef dinners and fish dinners served at the banquet was less than 30. So beef plus fish. So 5x plus 2x is less than 30. So 7x is less than 30. Remember, x is some integer multiplier here. We can't have partial dinners. So here, this is saying x is less than 30 over 7, which means x is less than 7 goes into 30 4 times with 2 left over. So x is left, what did we just say? 4 and 2 sevenths. X is less than 4 and 2 sevenths, which just means x is less than or equal to 4. And so what do we know? X is greater than or equal to 3, or it's less than or equal to 4. So x could still be 3 or 4 in this case. And so we are close, but still insufficient. Statement 2 says, the number of chicken dinners served at the banquet was less than 25. So 7x is less than 25. X is less than 25 over 7, which means x is less than, so 7 goes into 25 3 times with 4 left over. So 3 and 4 sevenths. So here this is saying x is less than or equal to 3, right? Because 3 is the lowest integer x could be. So let's think about this here. We know x is greater than or equal to 3, but this here is saying x is less than or equal to 3. So it might sound like these guys are contradicting each other, but they're not, because there's still one value x could be that satisfies both of these expressions. X could be equal to 3. And so statement 2 is really telling us, when you combine it with the info from our prompt, x is equal to 3. And in that case, our total meals is technically 14 times 3, which is 42. But we rephrased our question, and the answer here is B.